Predicting the likely impact of the Trump administration on real assets and providing an outlook for where we see the market going in 2025 has become a huge challenge for many decision makers so far this year. In December, when I last presented an episode of the Investment Views series, I ventured that under the then upcoming Trump presidency, the dollar would strengthen as a result of US's growth policy, that the EU and global exporters to the US would suffer as a result of likely tariffs and trade frictions, and that the renewable energy sector would be challenged. The early results validate these positions, although things can change rapidly, so keeping an eye on these evolving policies is essential for tracking geopolitical tailwinds and headwinds. One quarter into 2025, and with discussions at MIPIM still fresh in the mind, how much has changed for real estate? My impression is that despite the concerns over fragile economic growth and growing geopolitical uncertainties, there is a general sense that the real estate market is at an inflection point, with investors looking to put more capital to work and more actively reposition their portfolios. Living and logistics continue to be the sectors of choice in real estate, although there was a notable interest in hospitality and data centers at MIPIM. Residential is seen by most investors as a defensive play, but is now very political, so choosing the right markets is more important than ever. We are seeing more interest in countercyclical plays in Europe, for example, offices and retail. In any case, real estate as an asset class needs to up its game to compete with other illiquid asset classes. We believe it can do so by being, for example, more socially purposed, affordable, community-driven, and digitalized. In terms of risk styles, given investors' current return requirements, value-add or discounted core continue to be the most desired strategies in real estate. Infrastructure is taking up more of the pie in investors' portfolios. Infrastructure discussions were the most prominent I had ever experienced at MIPIM. The good news is that the topical investment themes the market is buzzing about, the living sectors, value-add real estate, European infrastructure, and re-infra, which is the way we refer to the convergence of real estate and infrastructure at PATRIZIA, are 4 key growth areas for PATRIZIA over the coming years.